If your Gmail inbox is flooded with emails from just one sender, there's an easy way to clean them out all at once. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail quickly and safely so you can clear space and keep your inbox organized. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, go to the search bar at the top. Here, type the sender's email address using this format, from example@gmail.com. Make sure you replace the example with the actual email address you want to remove messages from. After typing it in, press enter on your keyboard. Gmail will now show you all the emails that came from that sender. At this point, click the select all checkbox in the top left corner of the message list. You may notice that Gmail only selects the conversations on the current page at first, so look for the message that says select all conversations that match this search. Click that option so Gmail selects every email from that sender, not just the ones you can see on screen. This is the key step that makes the process fast and complete. Once everything is selected, click the delete button with the trash icon at the top. Gmail will move all of those emails into the trash folder. If you want them gone permanently, the next step is to open trash from the sidebar on the left. Inside trash, click empty trash now. Gmail may ask you to confirm, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. And that's it. You've now deleted all emails from one sender in Gmail. This is a simple but powerful way to manage spam, unsubscribe manually, or clear out old messages from someone you no longer need in your inbox. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.